Hi, my name is Carly Wheeler and I'm a PhD student here at Oxford Brookes University, researching the role of physical activity in the lives of drug users who are receiving opioid substitution treatment. And this is a poster produced on part of the findings from the MPhil stage of my project. So the aim of the results that I have here was to look at, to record physical activity levels amongst individuals who are receiving opioid substitution treatment. And I sought to do this through self-report questionnaires, asking individuals the number of stairs that they climb on an average day, the number of miles that they walk, and any other activities that they regularly participated in. And I did this with 100 individuals who were recruited primarily through pharmacies. So recruitment took place in 2 different cities here in England. The mean age of participants that took part was 37. 3/4 of participants were male and 1/4 were female, and most individuals were receiving methadone as their substitute medication. So 80% of participants reported engaging in 30 or more minutes of physical activity a day, which is the current guidelines for physical activity in this country. This is in comparison to 50% of the general population who report meeting that figure. Participants reported walking 3 miles a day on average, and 33% of participants reported taking part in a structured kind of physical activity, as well as that kind of transport and everyday activity. 25% of participants, however, reported taking part in no regular physical activity and walking less than half a mile on an average day. And up here is a graph showing a variety of activities that participants took part in, as well as physical activity, with the gym and swimming being the most prevalent activities, and then a variety of other team activities and individual sports were mentioned as well. So the findings just from this small part of the study were that participants were physically active, primarily through lifestyle activities, the walking and also cycling, with 1/4 of participants mentioning that they regularly cycled. A smaller number of participants were taking part in structured activities such as exercise and sport. And so further research in this area might inform strategies of increasing participation in structured activities within this group that might yield additional benefits, such as social inclusion, on top of just kind of physical activity, on top of physical benefits. And as the second part of my study, I've been conducting some qualitative interviews to kind of explore further the findings from this first stage, into kind of the perceived barriers and enablers to physical activity, motivators and ways of potentially getting participants more involved in activity.